I am S. Ravikumar, Research Scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekharaya Garu, GMTH, Hyderabad. Literature Survey Research Group publications related to the cybercrime case study. Today's topic is the nuts and bolts of the India abuse, fake government of Telangana, cyberpolicing against online sedition. Nowadays, cybercrimes are galore everywhere. The impact of the cybercrimes is appealing on the human ecosystems, digital societies, and life. Our work considers the cybercrimes in JMTH Hyderabad academic environment, a premier university in India, in order to study the research area from a multidimensional perspective. Particularly, here we present the case as a big data crime. The enormity of the crime is evaluated as a degree of cybercrime. We find that policing reforms are a necessity in view of the dissatisfactory performance of the Hyderabad police in handling the cybercrime. Cybercrimes researchers should track the cybercrime lifespan cycle by field studies in police stations, courts, and documents of the running cases as to ensure a better role play in the diffusion of cybercrimes and the resultant deleterious efforts to the individuals, society, and in particular the nation. IT professionals and researchers should work in tandem with the cyber police and cyber law practitioners for collaboratively synergistic efforts to diffuse the cyber criminal organizations effectively for a progressive society and Swachh Digital Bharat. And here is a conference proceedings, University of the Delhi in India. So in AOP 2018, Annual Convention of National Academy of the Psychology 2018. In that, the author is presented a poster presentation. In that, you can observe here background of the particular cybercrime, purpose and hypothesis, and methods of the particular cybercrime, 2 crimes or 4 crimes. And another point is governmental action is need of the hour, and results and discussion of the particular results and conclusion of the particular poster presentation. And also here they discussed about the methods and conclusion of the particular poster presentations and bibliography. Thank you.